Hi olders, it's time to make spinners or tops and experiment with our color wheel. If you don't have thick paper, you can use an old cereal box. Cut out one page from the cereal box and find a very round object that you can trace. It is good if the object is about 6 inches from side to side. That's a good size of your top spinner. And here's a sketch how I figured out how to create a circle. If you have a round object, just trace around the round object. That's easier than measuring it. But I measured 6 inches from one side to the other, and then same from the other, from top to bottom. I cut it out, made sure I knew where the center was. And then I took a plain white piece of paper and traced my circle onto the white piece of paper. Because the cardboard from my cereal box has a gray color, and the colors that I will use later won't show up very nicely on that gray surface. So I cut out my white circle. I used a glue stick and I glued down my new white circle on top of my cereal box circle, still making sure that I could see the center of the circle. That's important, because what you're going to do next is draw lines, and you use that center focal point when you draw all these lines. So first turn it into fourths. So from top to bottom and side to side, draw straight lines. And then turn it into a pie with 8 slices in it. And now it's time to color in my spinner. I'm going to experiment with yellow and red, 2 primary colors. I'm making a hole in the middle with scissors. Then I push a pencil through that hole very carefully, and I may have to use some tape to attach it. I am only using the very tip of my pencil to spin it, and you might have to adjust the length of your pencil to make this work. I think I will probably have to shorten my pencil to make it spin really well, but I'm going to give it a try. Here it is. See the tape? I made my pencil actually shorter because it didn't work very well when it was very long, and I'm spinning it. Notice when I spin it that you can't see the pattern anymore, and if you look really carefully you should be able to see some orange, because the 2 primary colors, yellow and red, if you mix the 2 you get orange. So you can play around with this and make different designs on your spinners, and depending on what colors you put next to one another, when you spin it you will have a different effect. So have fun with this, play around with it. Bye. Great work everyone. I'm so proud of you.